Release the Kraken!
Welcome back, fellow game designers. In our last video we went ahead and finished up the body for Link's UVs. And in this one we are going to tackle doing the eyes and hat. And if we have time we'll do the hair. So save your work. Save the next iteration in case something breaks. This is Link. I'm on 29 now. And let's do the eyes first because those will be easy. We'll go ahead and hide Link. We get the eyes, we'll unhide those. And the easiest way to do an eye is to just project from the front. So I'm going to go to this, create planar, Z, project. Now I'm going to get the other eye, and I'm just going to go ahead and delete him because we're just going to copy this one. So F10 for edge mode. Go ahead and double click the center edges. For left, right, top, and bottom. So left, right, top, and bottom. Just like that. Let's go to the top view. F to frame. And we need to... So Z is down here. So front is over here. Back is over here. We want to keep the front solid. We want to cut halfway through the back. So I'm going to hold down Control. Drag a box over about halfway through the eye. And then drop it. That's going to deselect the front half, but it'll keep the back half selected. And we can just cut. And now we will unfold. So F11, get that, and then hit unfold. We'll get that, and we will center this up and just shrink it down. So the eye will be UV'd to itself. We'll maximize the space. Make sure you're inside 0, 1. That's good. And then of course we will just duplicate the eye. So here's my eye. Let me get rid of the history on it. And we will mirror, get the box. Uncheck, uncheck, and then mirror. Cool. And I'll get this one and just name it eye right. There we go. Let me take this eye out of the group here. So grab it, Shift P to take out of the group. Delete the layer that we just made there. I'll just rename it. I hope Autodesk gets the idea and stops putting these things in groups. It's really annoying. For the hat, we'll grab that, hit H to bring it up. Let's go back to perspective. So there is our hat. Let's go to create. Let's do planar. Good enough. Hide the eyes because they're in the way. We're going to separate this, so F10. Double click this inner edge to get that. Hit cut. And we will then go to F11. Select both halves. And then unfold. Grab them both, hit layout. So here's one and the other. And we got the eyes. We've got Link, we've got the belt. So that'll do it for this video. And the next one we will do the hair, because that's going to take a minute. Alright, so save your work, stay tuned, and I shall see you next time. Hey guys, thank you for checking out the channel. If you like that video you just watched, consider hitting that like button and hit or subscribe. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, check out the Wielders of Ether. It's my upcoming comic book. The Kickstarter will be dropping pretty soon. You can see that is getting ready here. The newsletter for that, if you go to brucebooks.com, you can sign up for the newsletter, and you will be notified when the Kickstarter drops. We're pretty excited, and we hope to see you on launch day.